Hey, good evening, Micromep here, bringing you another post-market recap. A little late, but Kiddo had some soccer trials. 10-year 436, pretty flat. Let's take a look at what King Dollar's doing. Bitcoin up 20 at 60 over 65K. Dollar up a little bit, 16 cents to 104.62. Oil approaching 80 a barrel. S&P up 1. We're pretty calm in the aftermarkets. Gold was down a little bit today, and it's down in the after hours, down 3 to 382. Copper 485, did get over 5, and it retraced a little bit. Nat gas 251, Nasdaq 18658 up 8. Nikkei looks like it's up here in the futures. Dow Jones over 40K. Palladium and platinum pretty flat. Silver a little bit under 30. VIX under 13, and grains, corn up 2, soybeans up 9, and wheat up 350. I don't know what we had after the bell. Let's see what's trending in stock tweets. Chainlink up 13%. GameStop. I could never get filled in none of my shorts in GameStop. Whatever, it is what it is. Take Two down almost 4. AMAT down 2% over. Don't know what this is. JI, not sure what this is. JDZG. JDZG. Let's see what this is. China base education. Must be an IPO. It's an IPO. It just came out. What else? UCAR. I don't know what UCAR does. See what UCAR does. That's another one trending. No profits. China-based company, battery for electric vehicles. And those are trending. I don't think we had any significant earnings. Crackle Barrel. Oof. Wow. 57 bucks. I think restaurants are getting a beating and people don't want to spend a lot of money out. I think Red Lobsters went bankrupt, if I'm not mistaken. Red Lobster closing U.S. locations. It's closing nearly 15 restaurants. People aren't dining out, man. It's crazy. Um, so Docs, I guess they reported 15%. Don't know much about them. Docs, just looking at what's trending, and then I'll get into some of my trades. I mean, this is a profitable company. They have higher earning estimates. Stocks at 23. Higher earning estimates for, well, actually a little bit lower than 24. Stocks at 23. Offers cloud-based platform for medical professionals with tools across 50 states. This one might be one to look at. It's up in the after hours to 23. Is it showing 23 here? Yeah, 23. It was 31 not too long ago. RSI of 16, which is not good. Might be one to just keep an eye on. What else? Docs, and then there was another one. Oh, what is this? Rent the Runway. Wow, up 50% gain. That's pretty sick. Is this probably a short squeeze? Is this a profitable company? Not even close to profitable. I don't know what the news is on Rent the Runway, but it sounds like it might be a short squeeze. Short squeeze. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if they have options. They do have options, but they're very thinly traded. Interesting. Interesting rental runway. But I'm guaranteed, well, it's hard to borrow. I would assume that, let me see if it tells you here what short. 26% float is short. That's why it's probably up. Good for the people that are long, I guess. Um, I try and focus on profitable companies. Uh, in the TD Ameritrade, I had 5 trades. I bought more good RX. I bought GCT. I bought BRCC call. I bought a call in GLDD and bought more stock in CDRO. Good RX. They fill prescriptions. They beat profits and earnings were up. Um, and they raised their 24 and 25 earnings per share estimates. So I think we'll break 852 and head higher. RSI of 90, so it's looking good. So added there. GCT is one of the top picks in IBD 50. 70% increase in earnings, 96% increase in revenue. Provides end-to-end business-to-business commerce solutions for large parcel merchandise. Big earnings. We'll see. Maybe the next big winner. Only adding shares when I can. BRCC picked up a call in this one. They are a coffee shop, operates as veteran-funded coffee company serving premium coffee, which is available in 35 stores nationwide. So nice break here. They became profitable, grew revenues, and you know that this country loves veterans and patriots. So looks nice. Looks 18% from pivot in 6 days. They're a profitable company. Maybe they get momentum. Um, and kudos to these guys. So I invested in them. Picked up a call on them. I added a call in GLDD. I had a lot of small caps today. Just keep accumulating some of these small caps. Maybe I'll get one of the big winners next time. I added some more of this one. I'm gonna see what Vita Farms did today. Up $1. Sprouts up 54 cents. Big earnings here, man. Estimates. Interesting. Cocoa. This one's flat. I remember I drink a lot of kefir. Getting ready to drink my cup of kefir after this video. I remember owning this thing that got $6-7. Look what it's at. Ooh, wow, it actually sold off a lot. It hit a high here of $28 and now it's at 19. They beat earnings per share by 167% and the revenues are up 18%. Look at this. They do kefir, yogurts, you know, Lifeway. Um, Interesting. Just those 3 or 4 stocks popped into my head. Uh, and CDRO, they're into gambling. I think overseas, maybe in Europe, Luxembourg. Nice buying. They're profitable. Revenues grew. Might be one to look at. Add a little bit. I bought all these little small stocks: Con, BVS, MTX, ABPT, BGC, DSP, uh, Shark Ninja, IPW, Socket Mobile, HRTX, MGNI, LTRX, SCPX, Iron, Seed, CCLD, ESPR, and Hula. I added all these stocks today. I had like 25 trades today, adding all these small caps that are looking very nice in the charts, accumulating them as I can. Hula, I'll go through the graphs quickly. Hula is a China name. Look at that. Looks really good there. Just quickly. ESPR, nice profits in this Pharma, you can see it cracked over the 50-day here, and they were profitable last quarter. CCLD, uh, they do healthcare, electronic health. You can see here some buying in here. They had less profits, but they've been profitable for 4 consecutive quarters. But they have earning estimates going up in 25. So it looks like some buying here. What else? Seed. This I don't like to buy it, but it's a China name. But it broke the pivot here, and it's up 47% in the from the pivot in 7 days. So I mean, this stock was in the 20s before. They're into hybrid seeds and stuff like that. Iron, uh, Bitcoin mining. It says they're gonna have in 2025 $1.70 per share. Here's a little bit of crypto exposure out of Australia. Up eight. They have positive 8 cents a share, and the revenues grew 232. Took a little bit of chance here to get some Bitcoin exposure. SCPX, SCPX, Scorpius Holdings. Um, Now this was I bought this as 10 cents, but huge volume. But look at this, guys. The revenues went from basically nothing to almost 5 million. This is a micro cap. This is a 3.6 million company. Now, this is completely speculation, but I picked that up. LTRX, uh, profitable, and looks like it wants to start gaining momentum. They've been around for a while, um, and their earnings were the highest they've been in a while, and the revenues grew. So I like it. We'll see. Maybe it'll change its trend. Um, MGNI, MGNI, nice big bar here. They beat earnings, but look at their estimates for 24 and 25. Nice increases in estimates, and they do provide a technology solution to automate the purchase and sale of digital advertising. So they're into digital advertising, and all these subscriptions are like Netflix and Amazon and all these streaming services are really into this ad deal now and charging for it. HRTX. Remember, these are small things that I think that are profitable and the charts look pretty good, and I want to add them, and I think they might have a future. Um, the big stuff, I just let the 401k handle it. It's automated. This one's looking good, and it looks like it wants to break out. They're not profitable, but they will be profitable. Um, but I like the fact that their revenues keep growing. So we'll see. That's just a small speculation. Socket Mobile, another one that's not profitable, but the chart looks good. You can see here it's starting to buy. RSA is 82. Um, and it looks like it's trending well. Took a stab there. Not a big deal. IPW. I know I was going to say I have a lot of stuff on. IPW, big jump here, positive quarter, 5 cents a share. Um, they're in the marijuana space, but they're profitable. They sell stuff online. Look them up. iPower. They got a bunch of stuff online. And with marijuana turning the corner, I think this might be a good one to maybe add. They're profitable. They made 5 cents a share, and their revenues grew 15%. Uh, Invest at your own risk, obviously. Shark Ninja. I did a put credit spread in Shark Ninja, and I bought some stock. Shark Ninja making new highs here, and they got a bunch of stuff coming out, and their earnings per share just blowing it out of the water. Looking really good. What else? DSP. Picked up DSP. Profitable company, provides advertising buying process for ads, desktop, mobile, streaming. I know, look at the earnings here, growing, and over the 50-day moving average. Maybe it can get back to that 1163 RSI and 95, and maybe make new highs. Revenues and earnings beat last quarter, and they've been profitable for 4 quarters in a row, and revenues have grown, so looks pretty good. BGC, global brokerage company servicing the whole financial and real estate markets, um, clearly wants to make new highs here. Um, $4 billion company, so pretty stable size. AVPT, they are with Microsoft. They're gonna turn profitable here in 24 and 25. Almost broke even, and looks like another one that wants to break out here. Had some volume today. RSI of 83, so we can see new highs there. MNTX added more. I own MNTX. I own them. Um, Profitable company um, in the construction arena, and higher earnings per share for 24 and 25. So adding there. BVS, nice break of the prior resistance of 608. It's 9% from the pivot in 2 days. Now this is a biopharma, became profitable, higher revenues. It's been profitable for 4 quarters in a row, and the revenues have grown the last 2 quarters. Develops proprietary uh, orthobiologic products for treatment of muscular conditions. I think they do uh, like let me see here. No, actually, it's medicine. I thought it was like like skeletons and stuff like that for for robotic arms and stuff. But actually, I don't think it is. I think it's medicine. But anyways, chart looks good, and they're profitable. Interesting. I like this the way this one looks. And COHN in the asset management and capital markets. Big break here on volume. Looks pretty nice. These are small floats, profitable, and revenues definitely increased big time. So that's what I did today in the market, guys. Late recap. Sorry for the late video. Maybe I'll do some YouTube shorts. The kiddo did great in trials. And I'll check you guys out tomorrow. Have a good night. Be blessed. Bye-bye.